What's up, guys? We're back with another update on the Coyote swap, and well, it's looking like a way more complete car now. It's sitting on its wheels. It's gonna be some billet specialties that he'll swap around from the Termi swap to this Coyote swap. You know, a lot has been done. There's still minor things to do. Carpet needs to be installed, put the rest of the seats back in, adjust the suspension a little bit. But the good news is we have a startup. We have a startup video, and it is pretty much ready to hopefully go to exhaust tomorrow. Other than that, after exhaust, probably go over to alignment and hopefully be driving out of here this weekend. As far as this startup, well, it was kind of a dry run. There was no, you know, the radiator wasn't hooked up. It was just kind of like a start for like about a minute. It was just for us, just to get a little motivation, you know, just a little reward for all the work. And we finished it completely to where now it just needs exhaust, because it is really, really loud. So that's what we're waiting on. Just exhaust to kind of turn it on for a lot longer. This project has taken us, well, we started on exactly February 18th. Today is March 12th. And hopefully it'll be driving out of here. Hopefully March 16th to 17th, which will be Saturday or Sunday. And it's gonna be pretty much about one complete month. You know, he's been saving up for quite a while, just so that it can be quick instead of just waiting around gathering money for parts here and there. He saved up instead and just pretty much bought everything all at once. Another thing we did get is we did come across a PMAS air intake. You know, it was for sale locally, so we picked that up. So hopefully that'll be on today. That's it for this short update, guys. Hopefully the next video will be, you know, driving around.